Welcome to 8636 East 34th Lane here in Savant Estates in lovely Yuma, Arizona. This is a south-facing home with beautiful double alder front doors. This home features tile floors throughout, vaulted ceilings, gorgeous quartz countertops, and a sparkling pebble pool out back. Kitchen also features Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, lovely backsplash, French doors to the patio. Of course, with the blue skies, we need a lovely pool. Tons of seating here. Wonderful aerator and stamped concrete. Cute pergola, perfect for parties. A little garden area next to the house. And a nice patio. Such a beautiful home. Light gray walls. White ceilings complement the interior, and this wood look tile flooring. Undermount sinks, laundry room, and this way to the bedrooms. Another of my favorite features are all of these wonderful cabinets in the hallway. Master to the right and the other 3 bedrooms on the left. This home has high mount TV with the cable and the electricity right in the wall. So if you did decide you wanted to mount a television, you have plenty of opportunities. Master closet is 5 feet 7 inches by 6 feet 11 inches deep and also features the attic access. The master bedroom is 13 feet and 4 inches by 15 feet. Master bathroom features dual vanities with undermount sinks in quartz countertops, framed mirrors, and oil rub bronze fixtures. Of course, one of our favorite features of this home is the shower. Known as a snail shower, tiled all the way to the top, and matching tile. One last peek at the master bedroom, and then we will look at the other 3 bedrooms. Our first bedroom is this suite bedroom. It has a ceiling fan in it with a light kit, of course. 2-inch blind. This room is 10 feet by 10 feet, also has the cable wall mount for television, and it is directly across the hall from the bathroom. This guest bathroom also has quartz countertops, undermount sinks, and this beautiful bathtub enclosure. The bathtub is nice and wide and deep, and again tiled all the way to the top. The second bedroom they are using as an office, but it is a bedroom. It does feature a closet. And these hanging racks will be removed prior to them moving, unless, of course, the new buyers would like to keep them. This bedroom is 10 feet 11 inches by 10 feet and is directly across from the linen cabinet. The last bedroom at the end of the hall is 10 foot 6 by 10 foot 2. This home does not have a separately enclosed pool, so they do have this system here that notifies them when the doors open. For example, One last quick peek at this beautiful home. Vaulted ceilings throughout, of course. Beautiful backyard. A few other little things. In the living room, there is also high-mounted cable and electricity if you don't have a cabinet. I love the little decorative shelf up here. The arch into the hallway. Crisp white granite against dark colored cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. The backsplash carries the theme of the floor with the gray and white marble. And here's a quick close-up of the floor here. This is throughout the house except for the bedrooms. Laundry room with a shelf right above for your laundry detergent. And last but not least, all of the cabinets have nice handles on them. A few pool equipment things special about this wonderful pool is we've got a saltwater cell, which keeps the chlorine at a minimum, but still does a great job and is also wonderful to swim in. You can swim with your eyes open. And then you have a multi-stage pool pump as well. Variable speed. And of course, the most necessary thing in Yuma. Sparkling pool, bench seating down here, and nice bench seating over here. This is a great pool for entertaining, for gatherings, for just enjoying with your family even when you're quarantined. One last quick peek. Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoy.